trying to see where it's from. New York. This is RB's 2019 ZR1. Came to us previously modded, I think, with cold air and headers on it. Just like always, for safety, we baseline every car that comes in. The car was not running properly. We found number 8 spark plug. The tip was completely melted off of it. So if he would have made a few more pulls, the piston would have been hurt next. We're lucky that the piston and ring is still in good condition. We did a compression and leak down, everything seemed okay. So we went ahead and he wanted obviously more horsepower. So we went ahead and put our complete cam package in it. We put an ATI dampener on it to spin the blowers a little bit harder. So yeah, cold air, cam, headers, 93 octane, 3 pedals. And this will be a first startup, so it might not start good, but let's see. So that was first startup. As always, takes a while to get fuel to the DI and everything, so didn't start the best, took a few starts. Once we got it running, it idled nice and smooth. There are a few adjustments I still need to make to the startup tables to make it even better, but it sounded good once it got fired up and running good. With that Corsa exhaust with the camshafts and these things, they sound phenomenal. So I'm gonna do a little bit more work to it, and then hopefully you'll see this thing on the dyno, and then hopefully on the streets here soon. So just finished the first pull on Mr. Arby's. Brand new clutch. So I drove it home for the past few days, put miles on the clutch, kind of break it in. Once I get on the dyno, I make what I call baby pulls to get heat in the clutch and also heat in the tires, because these things make a lot of torque, so they spin really easy. And I just got done making our very first pull with it after the cam install. Y'all can see when it came in before, it had cold air and headers on it. I was making 705, 730. Very first pull with my base file in it, we're already at 800, 828, and it's super rich with no timing in it, so everything looks good now. I'm gonna go to lunch. When I get back, I think we're gonna make 850 is the goal when we're done. So I think 850 will not be a problem. We're gonna shoot for that after lunch. Rear wheel horsepower. I think RB will be happy with that. 904 rear wheel torque. Again, the car came in with 705. Not too bad for a cam package and a correct tune for a 19 ZR1. Now we can go hit the streets with it. Alright, welcome back guys. Not sure what part of the video this is getting thrown in, but I hope you're enjoying it so far. We are in Arby's beautiful and rare 2019 ZR1 Corvette. We just completed our 1,000 horsepower package on. I have a set of Mickey Thompson 345s that I always keep at the shop for reasons like this, for customer vehicles or for my own personal car. I run on the C8 Corvette on the weekends if I'm not going to the track with the 15-inch drag radial. Maybe we should leave traction control on, let it do its thing. It rips. Yeah, it rips. I kind of want to do one more. This thing, it's hard to describe. Like, I know we've driven other cars here, but something about a 900 rear-wheel horsepower car that you're banging gears in. I mean, I drive a 5,000 horsepower car and it's still, oh, it's so much fun. Are you recording, Jason? All right, had a badass day. Sun's out, it's getting hot as hell out here, but got to play with beautiful 19 ZR1 1,000 horsepower package, C7 Z06 with 850 horsepower, and then the sexy, I call it the Batman C8 Corvette with a Pro Charger on it with 600 rear-wheel horsepower. Had fun playing with all three. We only lost one drone while shooting this footage. Throws you back in the seat and it does not stop pulling.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Did we lose something? Oh, that feels so good. We're gonna pull over, check the batteries, make sure McLovin is still in one piece, make sure his drawers are clean, and we'll go for a round two.